नमस्सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य तिङन्तप्रक्रियायाः 21 पाठः, डिसेम्बर् मासस्य 21 दिनाङ्कः। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। So before going to today's class, let's do the exercise which we the exercise of the class before the last. Okay, so the prakriya for the dhatus. So any volunteers? So अभ्यासः आसीत् अधोदत्तानां धातूनां निर्दिष्टे प्रत्यये परे प्रक्रिया पूर्णप्रक्रिया प्रक्रिया क्रमानुगुणं प्रक्रिया लेखनीया सर्वेषां धातूनाम्। Okay. Good. I'm happy to see that there are quite a few people who have done this. Okay. Nitish Chandra.
दुलभश मूलधातु दुलभश भ्वादिगणे अस्ति आत्मनेपदी and an it इत्संज्ञा लोपः by उपदेशे अर्जुननासिकयत् and आदिन् निटुडवः and हलन्त्यम् एते सूत्रे लब् remains प्राकृतिककार्याणि किमपि नास्ति लकारः लट् बै लः कर्मणि च भावे च आकर्मकेभ्यः
वर्तमाने लट्
अडागम नास्ति and लस्यति by tittasta that sutra it becomes lab plus it vikarana pratyayah
labh plus
it
no, which was the pratyaya you added?
Lat.
No, for lat lasya sthane it
and by kartari shap it becomes lab plus shap plus it but after removing its sagna letters it becomes lab plus e vikarana nimittam karyam nasti pratyaya nirmanam it becomes labha plus a by ato gune it becomes labhe tripadi karyam kimapi.
Right, good. So labhe, so labhadhatoh atmanepade pratyaya labh a e, that is the pratyaya. So a is shap and e is the uttama purusha ekavachana pratyaya. Labh a, so since it is adupadha, there is no angakarya based on the vikarana. Labha a, so the sandhi ato gune we get labhe is the form. Okay, next Mahadevan.
French हरणे भ्वादिगणधातुः उभयपदी धातुः इत्संज्ञा लोपः कृते ह्री हलन्त्यम् इत्यनेन प्राकृतिककार्येण किमपि नास्ति लोट् आदेशः लोट् च ह्री प्लस् इल्लु उपनिषत्सुते स्वभावस्य लोपः कृते लस्य इदादयः ह्री
MIP, yeah.
शप् विकरणः ह्री शप् कर्तरि शप् इत्यनेन शप् लषक् तद्धिते इत्यनेन शकारस्य लोपः हलन्त्येन पकारस्य लोपः आ अवशिष्यते ह्री प्लस् आ प्लस् मिप् इति भवति ततः परं अङ्गकार्यः अस्ति हरि भवति गुणे सार्वधातुकयोः इति सूत्रेण हरि प्लस् अ प्लस् मिप् इति भवति निर्माणं हरि प्लस् अ प्लस् मिपः स्थाने आनि हर प्लस् आनि हराणि अकसवर्णे दीर्घः सूत्रेण मम सन्देहः अद्य हराणि इति भवितुं शक्यते वा
भवति अट्कुप् वाङ्नुं व्यवायेऽपि
हराणि शरीररूपम्
आम् सत्यं thank you. I think quite a few people were unable to hear the voice, so I'll just repeat. Harin harane iti dhatuh ubhayapadi anit halantyam ityanena nyakarasya samyayam tasya lope hr ततः लोट् लकारः लोट् च इति सूत्रेण ह्र ल लोट् लकारस्य स्थाने मिप् प्रत्ययः तिप्तस्झि इति सूत्रेण ह्र मि कर्तरि शप् तस्य संज्ञालोपे ह्र अ मि सार्वधातुकार्धधातुकयोः इत्यनेन गुणे हर अ मि प्रत्ययस्य मिपः स्थाने आनि इति प्रत्ययः हर आनि अकस्सवर्णे दीर्घः इत्यनेन सवर्णदीर्घे हरानि अट्कुप् वाङ्नुं व्यवायेऽपि इत्यनेन णत्वे हराणि इति रूपम्. ओके रविचन्द्रन् जी. You're muted, I think.
Okay, can you hear now?
Yes.
Hello?
Yeah, tell me.
Okay, sorry. Okay. Vridhu, vridhau, bhavadi, akarmak, set, atmanepad. Vridh, so itsangya lopaha, vridh. Then prakrita karyani, there is nothing in that. Then lakaraha, vridh, lot cha, you get a lot, la. Then there is no, since it's not lung, lung, lingshu, there is no at or art agama. Then lasati padaya, you get vridh plus mip because it is uttama purusha.
It's atmanepada.
Atmanepada, uttama purusha, it will be eat. What is that? It. Right. Then vikarana, it will be kartari shap. It will be vridh a plus it. Okay. Then vikaranamita karyam sarvadhatakayoho, it will become vri will become uran raparaha become vardha.
Pugantalaghupathasya cha.
Pugantalaghupathasya cha. So yeah. So it becomes vardha. Then pratyanimita karyam, there is nothing in that. After the pratyaya nirmanam will be I. So vardha I plus I. Vardha plus I. Then sandhi karyam will be vriddhi rechi become vardhai. Then tripati, there is nothing in that.
Right. So vardhai iti rupam. Vridh a and e. So pratyaya becomes I. So vridh a pugantalaghupathasya cha ityanena gunaha. Vardh a I. Vriddhi rechi vardhai. Thank you. Himanshu Mahodaya.
Thank you very much. I'll use the tasks you have given because I don't know the in-between one, we haven't learned that. So
which one?
the tha, shming, the final form thas,
Right.
I'll
Yes,
use
yes.
because we don't know the in-between ones.
Right.
Shming,
Hmm.
shming ईषद हसने भवादिः आत्मनेपदी अनिट.
Right.
श्मि हलन्त्यं तस्य लोपः. स्मि धात्वादेः शः सः उपदेशे. स्मि लंग अनद्यतने लंग हलन्त्यं तस्य लोपः. स्मि ल. So then at स्मि ल लुंग लंग लिंक्षु अट हलन्त्यं तस्य लोपः आद्यन्तौ टकितौ. Then विकरणः अस्मि शप थास कर्तरि शप लशक्व तद्दिते हलन्त्यं तस्य लोपः अस्मि अथास अस्मय थास सार्वधातुकार्धधातुकयोः एचो यवा यावः. अस्म येथः सजुषोरुः खर वसानयोर विसर्जनीयः. So finally asma yethaha.
Asmayathaha. Right.
Thank you.
Yeah. So for note for everybody, I had just put this, I mean, just to see if people were paying attention. So shming, ngit. So it is an atmanepadi dhatu. So I've just given the parasmaipada pratyaya. So it should actually be the, you will not have sip or s on shming because it's a atmanepadi dhatu. So the pratyaya, okay, so that is why he changed it to thas. Fine. So shming iti atmanepadi dhatuh. So there is dhatvadesha saha smi and lakara. There is adagama asmi athas. Asmi athas. Guna by sarvadhatuka adhatukayoho asmai क्षम्यताम् अस्मे अथास् एचो यवायावः अस्मयि अथास्. So the sakara at the end gets sasajushoruhu and karavasanayor visarjaniyah. So the form is asmayathaha. Okay. So Meenakshi.
Patha. उपदेशे अजन्नांशिकैः पठ 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 आ दुपदा.
Sorry.
पठ पठ विधिलिंग अदुपदा. So no. But
no angakarya.
अंगकार्यं किमपि नास्ति. प्रत्ययं ये पठेयुः final form.
Correct. So no problem, it is fine. So angakaryam nasti patha ius. So ad gunaha. So the actual prakriya will be patha and vidhi ling. Ling by vidhi nimantrana mantranadhishta samprashna prarthaneshu ling. So there is path l. So lakarasya sthane prathama purushaha bahuvachana pratyayah. So it will be jhi. Tiptas jhi. So path jhi. Path shap jhi. So kartari shap. So path a jhi. Angakaryam nasti. Patha jhi. Jhi pratyayasya sthane ius. Yeah? So patha ius. आद्गुणः इत्यनेन गुणे पठेयुस्. ससजुषोरुः खरवसानयोर् विसर्जनीयः पठेयुः इति रूपम्. Okay. Paul.
Unmuted.
Okay. Needing
लट् लकारः परस्मैपदे मध्यमपुरुषे द्विवचन प्रत्ययः so let's see, it's a mula dhatuhu is nidhi bhavadi ganaha ubhayapadi anit. It sanya lopaha, we have nid.
Nidhi, is it ubhayapadi? Nidhi should be parasmaipadi, no? There is no swaritet.
Oh, I thought that it's nidhi with the it at the end is oh, okay. Yeah, I'm sorry. So then it's parasmaipadi.
Yes, it is a parasmaipadi.
Okay. Okay, so parasmaipadi. So then we have nid upadeshe anunasika it tasya lopaha. And we have prakriti karyani nid nenaha nonaha, sorry, nonaha. And then lakaraha is nid plus lat, vartamane lat, and nid plus la upadesha anunasika it halantyam tasya lopaha. And we have lasya tibadayaha nid tas. As tip tas ji sip tas ta. And then we have vikarana is nid shap tas kartari shap. And then nid a as lashokata dite halantyam tasya lopaha. And vikarana nimittam karyam ned a as. Puganta lagu Pugantu lagu antasya cha. And then nedas ato gune and nedaha.
How did you get no wait, how did you get with us there? The pratyaya was thas, no?
Yeah, the pratyaya was thus. Oh, yeah, sorry. It should be thus. It should remain thus. Yeah. So then it should be ned thus, and then ned. Okay, nid thus, and then becomes ned thus by puganta lagu padasya cha, and then nedatas ato gune and nedaha.
No, ato gune. No. Why ato gune? How are you good doing ato gune?
No, I'm getting confused by my last karyam. Okay, that's not there. That was because of my other mistake. Okay, so then it's nedataha, nedatas, and then nedataha. Sashajishoruhu kara avasanayoho visarjaniyaha.
Yeah. The other steps are correct. You missed one. Nidhi. There is a idit because the haswa ikara is it.
That's right.
So there is one more prakritika karya. Nonaha is right. So there is also iditonum dhatoho.
Iditonum dhatoho, right. Yes.
Comes ni nd ashtapadantasya jhali anuswarasya parasvarnaha. So it becomes nind. So once it becomes nind, you don't get the guna because it is not laghu padha anymore. So the form will be nindathaha.
Oh, nindataha. Oh boy, I really messed that up. Good. Okay. Thank you.
So two prakritika karyas is always this because we generally note one. It happens. So there is nonaha. There is also, this is one which gets both. So the form is nindathaha. Nonaha ityanena nakarasya natvam iditon muted ityanena numagamaha. So nind shap thas. So nind a thas. There is no angakarya. So it's just sasajushoruhu and kharvasanayor visarjaniya. Okay. So yes, there is also one more, I think, nid, with nedati, which becomes nedati, nedatah, nedanti. So it does not have idit. So then we would have nedatah, right? So now Sharma Mahodaya.
पूर्वी मूलधातुः
Hmm.
उपदेशे अजानुनासिकैत् तस्य लोपः पूर्व प्राकृतिकानि कार्याणि उपधायाञ्च पूर्व लकारः पूर्व अनद्यतने लङ् पूर्वलङ् पूर्व लोपः पश्चात् आडजातीनाम् आ ऊर्वल वृद्धि और्वल आटस्य सूत्रेण वृद्धि तस्य लस्य तिपादयः और्व झि कर्तरिशप् और्व आझि और्व झोन्तः और्व अन्त संयोगान्तस्य लोपः और्वन्.
Okay, that's it. So Urvan, thank you. So there is Urva, there is Adagama and Vriddhi by Atascha. So Aurva ant atogune iti tu bhavati. So Aurva ant atogune ityanena pararupe Aurvant tatah sanyogantasya lopah ityanena lope Aurvan iti rupam. Next, Ananta Krishnan.
Namaste. Shtubby. अनुस्वारण्यतः आत्मनेपदम् इत्यनेन आत्मनेपदी अनुदात्तङ्गितः किल अनुदात्तङ्गितः क्षम्यताम्
अनुदात्तः वा तर्हि स्वरः न सम्यक् न दत्तः वदतु
दात्वादेः शः सः इत्यनेन शकारस्य सकार आदेशः अनन्तरं तकारस्य अपि तकार आदेशः ततः स त ब उपदेशे बि उपदेशे अजनुनासिक इत्यनेन सूत्रेण इकारस्य लोपः तस्य लोपः
आदवेव इत्संज्ञा अनन्तरमेव धात्वादेशः सः.
Oh, yeah.
The first thing we do always is itsamya and lopa. So anyway, stabh.
Is ta b. Anantaram iditonam dhatoh itanena numagamah. Is ta in b. Naschapatantassa jali itanena anuswarah. Anantaram anuswarasya i prasavarnah itanena makara adeshah stambha iti. स्तंभ इदानीं लोट् चैतन्येन सूत्रेण स्तंभ लोट् उपदेशे अचनुनासिक यत् हलन्त्यम् इत्यनेन तत्र प्रत्ययस्य ल अवशिष्यते स्तंभ ल अनन्तरं लस्य तिबादयः स्तंभ अन्ताम् इति सिद्धरूपं दत्तं
आदौ तु झ प्रत्ययः क्रियते. So ta atam झ
आम् अनन्तरं शप् आगच्छति शप् तत्र लशोगतदिते अनन्तरं हलन्त्यम् एतनयोः सूत्रयोः प्रसक्तिः स्तम्भ अन्ताम् अनन्तरं स्तम्भ अन्ताम् अतो गुणेन स्तम्भन्ताम् इति रूपं
स्तम्भन्ताम् आम् अतो गुणे सत्यं. अञ्जना Anjana?
नमस्ते उषा लङ्लकारः परस्मैपदे मूलधातुः दाहे भुवादिगणः परस्मैपदी सकर्मक सेट् इत्संज्ञा उष् उपदेशे अजनुनासिक अस्य लोपः इति सूत्रद्वयेन उष् इति भवति प्राकृतिककार्याणि कोऽपि नास्ति लकारः लङ् उष् लङ् अनद्यतने लङ् इति सूत्रेण इत्संज्ञा लोप क्रियते तदनन्तरम् उष् ल इति भवति अडागम आडजादीनाम् इति सूत्रेण आ उष् ल इति भवति I had a question there. Should we do artascha right there or wait till sandhi karyam?
We can do artascha. I was actually thinking of the same. Okay, but now, yeah, let's do the sandhi now. So,
okay. So
I have my own doubt. Yeah.
Okay, so it would be osh l
aush vriddhi. Artascha gives vriddhi. So
aush
becomes aush.
Okay, so it will be aush l lasya tibadayah iti. In the next step you get aush mit aush mi vikarana pratyaya kartari shap ityana iti sutrena aush a mi iti rupam vikarana pratyaya nimitta anga karyam. Oh, if I do sandhi earlier I wouldn't have to do the vikarana pratyaya nimitta anga karyam.
That was my doubt, because there is the thing varna angam baliyaha. So actually I think I'll just clarify this. So that was what I was thinking at that point, because it had missed my point earlier. Okay. Because there is, if we don't do the sandhi, there is a prasakti of doing the
that's why I written, yeah. That's why I asked Laghu Upada will come. That's why I written the comment.
Yes. So it's probably we should do the Angakarya first, because it's always Varna Angam Baliyaha is a paribhasha which says Varna Karya is like Sandhi, and there is an Angakarya. Always Angakarya takes precedence over Varna Karya. So what you have done is probably right. So we do the Angakarya, which is Osh, and then Artascha. But then Artascha is Nitya. Okay, so that is why.
Yeah, I was not sure, so I put just one.
I did not bring it up because of that. I mean, there is also the question of Nitya and Anitya. So I'll just check this and let you know, which is the final form is Ausham. But should we do Angakarya or not is a question. So I'll let you know in the next class.
Okay. So Ting Pratyasa Nirmanam and then Ato Gune iti Sutrena Ausham.
Amipurvaha. Amipurvaha. Because it is
Okay. Amipurvaha iti Sutrena Ausham iti Rupam Prapnoti.
So the form is Ausham. So if it is, should we do Artascha first or Puganta Laghu Padhasya is a question, because Puganta Laghu Padhasya is an Angakarya, so it takes precedence, but Artascha is Nitya, that is Krita Krita Prasangi, Gune Krite Akrite Bhavati. So there is this thing, I'll find out what is the thing here. Okay, the last one. Nilesh.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Mantha Mooladhatu Mantha Vilodane Bhwadihi Parasmayi Set Tatra Itsanyalope Mantha Praktikani Karyani Naschapadantasya Jhali Ma Anuswartha Puna Anuswarasya Yei Parasavaranaha Mantha.
Okay.
Bhavati va?
We can do it. I mean, it will finally, yes, but not needed for now, because when we do numagama we do it because we are bringing in this one. So here, yes, I mean it is nakara originally because it there are cases where we delete it and the siddha all matters. So yes, it will be there. But
लकारा वर्तमाने लट् मन्थ लट्.
But yes, you should remember that even if it is there, we don't do it now. It has to come at the end because it is in the Tripadi.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it will not come in Prakritikani Karyani?
No, we don't consider it there.
Okay. Lakara vartamane lat month plus la. Tatra la iti avasheshate month la. Tiptarji sutra month plus tip. Kartari shap sutrena month shap tip. संज्ञालोपे मंथ अति मंथति
मंथति किमपि अंगकार्यं सन्धिकार्यं किमपि नास्ति अत्र. So it's a simple form. So tinganta can also be as simple as this. Okay. So good. So I hope any questions within this. So there were two questions. In Dhatu Patha, the Dhatu Artha is always given in Saptam Ekavachanam. What is the significance? It's just the Artha. Tasmin Arthe Saha Dhatuhu Vartate Ityeva Arthaha. So, Atha Gatau Bhu, Gatau Gamla Iti Dhatuhu. Sattayam, Nama Sattar Rupake Arthe Bhu Iti Dhatuhu Bhavati. Tatra Vaishayika Saptami, Tasmin Vishaye Ityarthe. So there is no special this to that. So, and the Dhatvartha is Upalakshana. It's just an indicator of the meaning of the Dhatu and not, it's not the rigid meaning of a Dhatu. Okay, so the Dhatus are used in a wide variety of meanings than what is indicated by the Dhatvartha. So there is one more question here. Why did Panini not give this Dhatu as Mathi and get Numagama? So there's a clear difference between idit and anidit. There are some dhatus which originally have nakara. So aniditam hala upadhaya kingiti. So he says for those which have a nakara which is not idit, which means there is an original nakara, there are some karyas. Okay. So it's so there was one more question while Vyaktayam vachi ityukte kaha arthaha. Vyaktayam vachi is to read aloud. I mean, it's not just telling to yourself, loud, doing something loud. Pathati literally means that you read out. Okay. Read aloud. So that is the meaning which is there. You can say, I mean, even if you're studying silently, we do use pathati many times. So as I said, the dhatu states that. There's one more question. Can you work an example of a prakriya where Kartarishap does not come in? So, I mean, there are a lot of things that we are not doing that now because we are doing this Sarvadhatuka Prakarana. So, in these Sarvadhatuka Lakaras, we always have shop. So, for now, there is no such prakriya. Of course, if you go beyond the Sarvadhatuka Lakaras, there is no shop. There's one more which I missed last week, so I'm sorry. Yena naprapteyo vidrabhyate tasvadhago bhavati. So this was something about the previous sandhis. What do you call it as bahaka? Say you're doing gune, say bhava anti. Wherever you have bhava anti, there is always the prasakti of akasavarne dikha. So in that case, it begins ato gune. Atone is more specific, whereas akasavarne dikha is more yena na aprakte. When always the prasakti of akasavarne dikha, he is starting ato gune, which means that ato gune will overrule akasavarne dikha in case of a plus a. Similarly, when it is a plus a, there would always have been the prasakti of vridhi. So being the case, he starts atogune, which is specifically for aparantakara and only ekara, which means atogune will take precedence over vridhi. So atogune is overrules both akasavane and vridhi in specific cases. Okay. Meenakshi?
What is this Ijati Guru?
Huh?
In some dhatu,
Right.
Ijati Guru.
So that is a case where we don't use it right now. It is used in case of Ditara. Ijadi, it stands with each letter. Say Idh dhatu. Each is pratyahara. It stands for Ijadi and it has a guru. Guru is Dilgham Cha or Sanyuge Guru. So a letter which starts with an each and also has a guru. So such a dhatu will qualify for some specific karyas. It is not there in this lakara. Okay. So that category will matter in some other lakara.
Then in the dhatu list, there is 71 and 72. Both seems to be same. Kadin and Kadin.
Sorry, what was it?
What is the difference in the formation there will be?
Just a second, I'll open the dhatu patha. Which number are you referring to? The Dikshit number?
72. In your list, dhatu list.
That's what the number is. Vishwadikshit's number, the first column number.
First column number. Your number. 71 and 72.
Okay, just a second. So 71. And 71 is Chadi and 72 is Tadi.
Kadi and Kadi.
Kadi and Kradi.
Yeah.
73, 74. Yeah, I mean the Kadi is becomes Kandati or Kradi becomes Kradi. Yeah, the next ones are just Kladi, which will become Klandati. There are a lot of cases that are minor differences in these dhatus.
Meaning of the both dhatus the same.
Yes, or they are the same. So, yes.
Thank you.
Any other questions? There's one more question. Iditanum dhatohu. Should we do the prasarika karya as the first step even just tripadi? So as I said, the tripadi karyas we generally do first if we are sure that it will not affect something later on. The Iditanum dhatohu is not. Oh, you're talking about the Nashtapadantasya Jali and Anuswarasya Parasavarna. Yeah. As soon as there is Numagama, it will always happen. There is no case where it does not happen. So we generally do it. If you go logically, we do it at the end. But as I said, a Tripadi Karya is done at the end just to make sure that we don't do other Karyas depending on it. So when there is Numagama, we know that it does not matter. So we do it earlier. So that's all. Even in case of Mantha, even if you do earlier, you should remember that you did it, because in case of Anidit Dhatus, there are some cases where the Nakara gets deleted. Okay, so for that you should make sure that the Nakara is there. For Mantha it is okay, but there are some other Dhatus where if you do the Parasavarna, the Nakara is gone. So then if you have already done the Parasavarna, you'll get confused as to where is the Nakara to delete it. So that is why it is better to retain the Nakara there. Okay. So it doesn't matter if you do the Tripadi Karya first or not. You should remember that it was a Tripadi Karya, so you don't do other things, or you can do other things depending on what it was. So that is the whole point of Asiddha. So it's just in the beginning, just to make sure that remember that it is Asiddha. It's better to do it at the end. The Karya can't be seen, but we see it. So it's just to avoid confusion that we generally try to keep Tripadi Karyas at the end. Okay. So we'll just go through a quick recap. We have spent quite some time in these exercises. So, and I'm okay with it, because the main part in Tinganta is for you to work out. Okay, so I keep stressing this. The exercises, you have to sit and you have to work out. Then only you will get anything from the class. You're spending to attend the class, which means you have to take away something, which means you have to spend some time sitting and working it out. So that is why even if you're not done that during the exercise time in the class, please sit and follow through the prakriya, because that is how it becomes very easy. By the end, you should at least be familiar with the tinganta, the prakriya, the order of the prakriya and how it goes through usually. Okay. So now we'll do a quick recap of what we did last class. गतवर्गे भ्वादिगणस्य साधारणधातूनां रूपसिद्धिः अधीता. So भ्वादिगणे सामान्यतः किं भवति, धातोः शप् विकरणः कर्तरि शप् इति सूत्रेण, ततः तिङ् प्रत्ययः. So this is the form which the dhatu always takes in the bhadigana for the sarvadhatuka lakaras, of course. So bhadiganasya pratyayah ke iti dृष्टम्. अर्थात् bhadiganasya vikarana pratyayah tatra angakaryam क्षम्यताम्. So adantam angam bhavati. Shap, as soon as you have shap, there is an adanta anga. And then the angakarya, yatra adantam angam bhavati, tasya sarvadhatuka pratyeye pare ato dirgho yanyi ityanena angakaryam bhavati. Yatra yayadau sarvadhatuke pare ato dirgho yanyi ityanena angakaryam bhavati. So I'll just see this. So sarvadhatuka lakara pratyayah yatra angam adantam bhavati tatra ete pratyayah. Pratyayasya nirmanam अग्रे द्रक्ष्यामः. इदानीं तु सिद्धरूपेण एते प्रत्ययाः स्वीक्रियन्ते. लट्लकारे ति तः अन्ति सि थः थ मि वः मः. आत्मनेपदे ते इते अन्ते से इथे द्वे ए वहे महे. एवं लोट्लकारे तु तात् ताम् अन्तु तात् तं त आनि आव आम इति परस्मैपदप्रत्ययाः. ताम् इताम् अन्तां स्व इथां ध्वम् ऐ आवहै आमहै इति आत्मनेपदप्रत्ययाः. लङ्लकारे त ताम् अन् स तं त अं व म इति परस्मैपदप्रत्ययाः. त इताम् अन्त थाः इथां ध्वम् इ वहि महि इति आत्मनेपदप्रत्ययाः. विधिलिङ्लकारे इत् इताम् इयुः इहि इतं इत इयम् इव इम इति परस्मैपदप्रत्ययाः. ईत इयाताम् ईरन् ईथाः ईयाथाम् ईध्वम् ईय ईवहि ईमहि इति आत्मनेपदप्रत्ययाः. एतेषु प्रत्ययेषु परेषु अदन्तस्य अङ्गस्य किं कार्यं भवति इत्यपि दृष्टम्. सो एतानि षट् कार्याणि भवितुमर्हन्ति. यत्र यत्र गुणवर्णः ह्रस्व अकारः एकारो वा अस्ति तत्र अतो गुणे इत्यनेन पररूपं भवति. यथा नयन्ति, नय अन्ति नयन्ति, नय अन्ते नयन्ते, नय ए नये, नय अन्तु नयन्तु, नय अन्तां नयन्ताम्, अनय अन् अनयन्, अनय अन्त अनयन्त. एतेषु स्थलेषु अतो गुणे इत्यनेन पररूपं भवति. पीतवर्णे यदस्ति ते सर्वे ययादि सार्वधातुक प्रत्ययाः. So I thought I corrected this E. It appears to have come back again. Sorry, this E is not yayadi. It should be marked in green. So mi vaha maha vahe mahe vama vahi mahi. एतेषु प्रत्ययेषु अतो दीर्घो यञि इत्यनेन अङ्गस्य दीर्घः भवति. नयामि नयावः नयामः नयावहे नयामहे अनयाव अनयाम अनयावहि अनयामहि. यत्र यत्र हरितवर्णे दृश्यते तत्र आद्गुणः इत्यनेन गुणः भवति. नय इते नयेते नयेथे नयेतां नयेथाम् अनयेताम् अनयेथाम्. विधिलिङ्गलकारे तु सर्वत्र नयेत् नयेतां नयेयुः नयेत नयेयातां नयेरन् इत्यादि. So this one is all savarna dirgha. यत्र आकारः दीर्घः आकारः दृश्यते तत्र अकस्सवर्णे दीर्घः इत्यनेन सवर्णदीर्घः. नय आनि नयानि नयाव नयाम नयावहै नयामहै. ऐकार प्रत्यये परे वृद्धिरेचि इत्यनेन वृद्धिः नय ऐ नयै इति। एवं अम् प्रत्यये परे अमिपूर्वः इत्यनेन पूर्वरूपम् अनय अम् अनयम्. So vruddhi and pararupa apply in only one case, so the others we have. So anyatra, where there is nothing, we just join the anga and the pratyaya. Nayati, nayati, nayataha, nayataha, anayathaha, anayathaha, and so on. So sarvesham adantanam anganam eteshu pratyayeshu pareshu evameva rupa siddhi bhavati. So there is no change for all the dhatus of the bhadigana. This is how we derive the forms. So now how do we do the dhatu plus vikarana? Vikarane pare kim angakaryam bhavati? Tatra ajantaha dhatavaha ikarantanam ikarantanam gunaha bhavati ayadeshaha. Ji a becomes j a and jaya. Jayati jayataha jayanti. Ni a comes ne a naya nayati nayataha nayanti. Evam ukarantanam ukarantanam gunaha ततः अवादेशः एचो अयवायावः इत्यनेन गुणः ओकारः ओकारस्य स्थाने अवादेशः. So bhu a becomes bho a and bhava. ऋकारान्तानां ऋकारान्तानां गुणः सर्वत्र सार्वधातुक अर्धधातुकयोः इत्यनेन गुणः. अत्र तु विशिष्य उरन् रपरः इत्यनेन रपरत्वं. यथा तृ अ अस्ति गुणे कृते रपरत्वे तरु अ तरति तरतः तरन्ति. एजन्तानां धातूनां तु साक्षात् एचो अयवायावः इत्यनेन अयादेशः अथवा आयादेशः. गै अ अस्ति चेत् गायति गायतः गायन्ति. एवं दे अ अस्ति चेत् ते दयेते दयन्ते इत्यादि. सो अजन्तेषु धातुषु अङ्गकार्यं तु एकमेव सार्वधातुक अर्धधातुकयोः इति गुणः. सन्धिः एचो अयवायावः इत्यनेन. This is the halanta dhatavah. Halanteषु धातुषु इदुपधानाम् उदुपधानां यत्र ह्रस्वः इकारः ह्रस्व उकारो वा उपधायाम् अस्ति तत्र पुगन्तलघुपधस्य च इत्यनेन गुणः भवति. चित् अ becomes चेत. एवं मुद् अ becomes मोद. चेतति मोदते इत्यादि. ऋदुपधानां गुणः रपरः भवति. वृद्ध अ becomes वर्ध अ वर्धते वर्धेते वर्धन्ते. So सर्वत्र पुगन्तलघुपधस्य च इत्यनेन गुणः. अन्येषां धातूनां for any dhatu other than this, if it is not ajanta, if it is not laghupadha, angakaryam kimapi na bhavati. If it is adupadha like pathu a kimapi na bhavati patha. Kurd a so upadhayancha ityanena dirghe kurd ityasti kurd a tatrapi kimapi karyam na bhavati. Edh a edh. So idit, if it is vand a vanda, if it is anit anidit like month a month or any other dhatu, there is no angakaryam. Kimapi angakaryam na bhavati. Sakshat dhatuhu tasya vikarana yojanam tatah pratyaya yojanam tavadeva. Okay. So etat tu sadharana dhatunam etat karyam bhavati for the general dhatus. So bhadigane kechana vishishtaha dhatavah santi esham kanichana vishishtani karyani bhavanti. So bhadiganasya vishishtaha dhatavah षट्चत्वारिंशत् धातवः सन्ति. There are 46 dhatus for which there is something other than what we have studied. So as we know, bhadigane sahasradhika dhatavah santi. Okay. At the minimal count it is 1010. At the maximum it is around 1165 based on the variations. So of these it is only 46 dhatus which vary. Tesham krate kaschana visheshah drishyate. पुष्पादीक्षित महोदयायाः धातुपाठे धातुसङ्ख्या 191 ततः 934 935 968 to 1010. So ete dhatavah vishishtaah dhatavah. So the numbers which I refer to will always be in reference to the number given by Pushpa Dikshit in her Dhatu Patha. Okay, so that is the only number I will be referring to for the sake of uniformity. So ete dhatavah vishishtaah dhatavah tesham kinchit vishishtam karyam bhavati. Please excuse me for just one moment. I'll be back. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ एते धातवः विशिष्टाः धातवः कः विशेषः भवितुमर्हति एकं तु धात्वादेशः the dhatu itself gets a specific adesha or a letter in the dhatu might get an adesha अथवा लोपः कस्यचन वर्णस्य लोपः अथवा आगमः so धातौ कश्चन आदेशः आगमः लोपो वा भवितुमर्हति विकरणे विशेषः सामान्यतया भादिगणस्य शप् विकरणः किन्तु केषाञ्चन धातूनां विशिष्टः विकरणप्रत्ययः भवति ततः स्वार्थे प्रत्ययः there are some dhatus which get specific pratyayas in swartha स्वार्थे केचन यथा चुरादिगणस्य सर्वदा णिच् प्रत्ययः भवति तथा केषाञ्चन धातूनां सर्वदा कश्चन प्रत्ययः योज्यते so before we add anything else there is a pratyaya which is always tagged on to the dhatu ईदृशानि त्रिविधानि कार्याणि धातूनां भवितुमर्हन्ति so we will see those one by one just now Ravichandran ji, can you open that Excel file please, the one which I sent today. Okay. As you can see, you can forget this for now. Okay. So you can see that these are the dhatus. There is 191, Gamle, 934 and 35, 2 Bhrashri, 2 Bhlashri. And then from 968 till the end of the Dhatu Patha. Paghrad, Mashtham, Nadan, Drishir, R, Sr, Shadl, Shadl, Gupu, Dhupa, Pana, Pana, Brahmu, Kramu, Lasha, Yama, Guhu, Gupa, Tija, Kita, Mana, Badha, Dana, Shana, Damsha, Shvanja, Shanja, Ranja, Dhivi, Krivi, Shru, Akshu, Takshu, Kripu, Shtivu, Chamu, Shasja, Kamu, Jabhi, and then Gang. Okay, so these are the 46 dhatus which have the one. So they are all classified as a vikari dhatu in her dhatu patha. Etesham dhatunam kim karyam bhavati iti pashyamah. तत्र प्रथमं सूत्रमस्ति पाघ्राध्मा. Excuse me, just a moment. पाघ्राध्मा स्थाम्ना दान् दृश्यर्ति सर्ति शदसदाम् पिब जिघ्रधमतिष्ठ मनयच्छ पश्यर्च्छ धौषीय सीदाः. Don't be scared looking at the length of the sutra. There is nothing. It is just a list of dhatus with a list of adeshas. Okay, there is nothing else in the sutra. Pa, ghra, dhma, stha, mna, dan, drishi, arti, sarti, shada, sadam. एतेषां षष्ठी बहुवचनम् एतेषां धातूनां पिब जिघ्र धम तिष्ठ मन यच्छ पश्य ऋच्छ धौ शीय सीदाः. So there are 11 dhatus. For these 11 dhatus, we get these 11 as the adesha. It is just a direct adesha. Okay. अत्र किमपि नास्ति. अनुवृत्तिः अस्ति शिति. शिति प्रत्यये परे. शित् शकारः इति यस्य सः. एते सर्वेपि भादिगणस्य धातवः. अतः शप् विकरणः. यत्र यत्र शप् विकरणः भवति तत्र एते आदेशाः भवन्ति. अङ्गस्य इत्यधिकारः. अतः एतेषाम् अङ्गानां पाघ्र इत्यादीनाम् अङ्गानां पिबादयः आदेशाः स्युः शिति परे. शिति प्रत्यये परे एतेषां धातूनाम् एते आदेशाः भवन्ति इत्यर्थः. Okay, so you can see the dhatus here. Pa pane iti dhatuh. Tasya sthane pib iti adeshah. Okay. So atra sarvatra akarah uchcharanarthah. Pib ityeva adeshah. So pib ati pibati. Ghra gandhopadane dhatuh. Jighr ati jighrati. Dhma Shabda Agni Sanyogayoho. So there is Dham is the Adesha. Dham ati Dhamati. Dhamati is to blow a conch or to blow fire. Shabda or Agni Sanyoga. Jighrati is to smell. Pibati, everybody knows. Shtha Gati Nivrattau. Tasya sthane Tishtha iti Adeshaha. Tishtati. Mna Abhyase Manati. Dan Dane Yachati. So yachati is a common verb to give. The dhatu is dan. So sarvadhatuka pratyeye yatra shap tatraiva yachati ityasya prayogah. Yatra arthadhatukam tatra ete adeshaha na drishyante. So drishir prekshane pashyati. That is why pashyati, the dhatu is not pashya, it is drish. R gati prapanayoh richadeshaha richati. Sr gatau तस्य धौ आदेशः धौ अति एचो यवायावः इत्यनेन आवादेशे धावति. शद्ल शातने शद इति भवति तस्य शीय आदेशः शीयते इति रूपम्. एवं शद्ल विशरणगत्यवसादनेषु तस्य सीदादेशः सीदति इति रूपम्. So for these 11, it is a direct adesha. The dhatu is replaced by the adesha when followed by shit pratyaya. That is why if you have some other pratyaya, like you have tavya pratyaya, patavyam, patavyam, or paniyam, peyam. So in all those pratyayas you will not have. Even in drit lakara, pasyati, pata, apasyat. So you will not find piba anywhere other than these 5 sarvadhatuka lakaras. Pibati, pibatu, apibat, pibet, and then again in shatri shanach, the pratyayas which are shit, piban. So it is only in these pratyayas that you find the adesha. Anyatra sarvatra pa ityeva rupam shruyate. Okay. So there is a question here. In all these dhatus, you have mentioned anudatta swara, but they are parasmaipadi. The swara in the dhatu does not determine the pada. The pada is determined by the it samnya letter. Yadi it samyakaha varnaha anudattaha tadaiva atmanepadittvam. Yadi vidyamanaha varnaha anudattaha tarhi dhatuhu anit. So the swara on the ach which is remaining, which is heard in the dhatu, determines the itva. If it is anudatta, the dhatu will be anit. Say pata, it is anit. Drashta, etc. So it's only the it samya letter. If it is anudatta, it becomes an atmanepadi. Okay. So in case of shadl shatane, as you can see, the likara is it and that is anudatta. That is why the dhatu is an atmanepadi. Anudattangita atmanepadam. Okay. So before that, I think there were two questions which I missed. Yeah. There was one question about that num and this one. Sometimes num stops puganta. So should we do this tripadi karyam first? Num is not a tripadi karya. It's only the anuswara and parasavarna which is in the tripadi. Num is in the sapara saptadhyayi and it has to be done first. Okay. So do all these come under the dhatva desha? Yes, dhatoha sthane adesha. I mean, dhatva desha is not a technical term. It's just the dhatu gets the adesha. Okay. So for these 11 dhatus, the adesha comes only in sarvadhatuka prayogas. Yes, because it comes when it is shit. Shit pratyaha sarvada sarvadhatuka. Ataha. So shit, shiti pratyaye pare ete adeshaha bhavanti ityarthaha. Okay. So you will see these only in case if when there is shap or when there is shatri shanach, etc. Okay. So atra kechana amshaha santi. Two things to be noted about this. So I think this is an old file. Is that Ravichandranji? Not the one which I sent today. Just a second, please. So I have changed the file slightly, so. Okay, so as you can see, the dhatus, in case of pibu dhatu, there is this pibihi adantaha iti kaumudikarasya matam. So siddhanta kaumudyaha drishtya ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳಂತೆ ಆಗ್ಲೇ 5:30 ಸಾರಿ ಪಿಬಿಹಿ ಅದಂತಹ ದ ಪಿಬಾದೇಶ ಕೌಮುದೀಕಾರಸ್ಯ ಮತೆ ಪಿಬ ಇತಿ ಅದಂತಹ ಆದೇಶಃ ನಾಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿಬ್ तस्य किं प्रयोजनं पिबादेशे कृते लघुपथगुणः पिब इज अ लघुपथ so can we do puganta लघुपथस्य च after doing pibadesha is a question. The लघुपथ is not required, not desired. अतः पिब इति आदेशः अदन्तः इति भाष्ये अपि अस्ति. भट्टोजीदीक्षितस्य दृष्ट्या अपि पिबादेशः अदन्तः. अतः प्रक्रियायां पिब अतो गुणे इत्यनेन पररूपे पिबति इति रूपं भवति. So काशिकाकारादयः तु अदन्तत्वं विनापि रूपं साधयन्ति. So there is a difference of opinion in this. Is it पिब or पिब? अन्येषां विषये लघुपथगुणस्य प्रसक्तिः नास्ति. In no other adesha do we have a prasakti for लघुपथगुण, so it does not matter. But only for pibadesha, so there is a parampara which takes it as pib, there is one which takes it as piba. Okay. Either way the form will not change. It is just a question of how you derive the form. Okay, you just can know it. Adhikam tu anyada kadapi pathamah. अनन्तरं सृ धातोः धावादेशः सर्तेः वेगितायां गतौ धावादेशः. When it means a fast movement, तदैव तस्य धावादेशः भवति. धावति, धावतः, धावन्ति इत्यादीनि रूपाणि. अन्यत्र तु सरति इत्यपि रूपम् अस्ति. सृ अ सार्वधातुकार्धधातुकयोः इत्यनेन गुणे सृ अ सरति, अनुसरति इत्यादीनि अपि रूपाणि सिद्ध्यन्ति. Okay. अतः वेगितायां गतौ धावादेशः. अन्यत्र तु केवलस्य धातोः अपि प्रयोगः दृश्यते केवलस्य सृ धातोः. It is only for सृ धातु. For all other dhatus it is a compulsory आदेश. कुत्रापि दृश् इत्यस्य दर्शति इति रूपं न भवति. Okay, so or pati, you will not find those forms. For all these the adesha is nitya. Kevalam sru dhatoh vishaye dhavati ityapi roopam asti, sarati ityapi roopam asti. Vegitayam gatau dhavadeshah, anyatra tu adeshah nasti iti vyavastha. Okay, so for all others it is a compulsory adesha. Okay. So there is a question here. Can we not argue for pib? If he wanted peb, he could have given peb instead of pib. He has given sakshat pib, so we cannot do a guna. Will that argument work? It will not work, because the guna will happen only if there is shap. If there is something like, say, shatra, you will not have guna. There is no nimitta for guna. So in that case there is no guna. So this argument will hold good only if in all cases where we have pibadesha we can get guna. Only then we can argue this way. Guna is not compulsory. It depends on other nimittas. So you cannot argue that since Panini has given pibu, there cannot be guna. Okay, so clear with Paghradhma, it is just 11 dhatus and 11 adeshas. Etesham ekadashanam dhatunam ete adeshah bhavanti. Iti sakshat adeshah. Dvitiyah adeshah asti ishu gami yamam chah iti sutrena. Ishu gami yamam iti shashti bahuvachanam. Chah iti prathama ekavachanam. Shiti iti anuvartate. Shiti pratyeye pare angasya ityadhikarah. Etesham angasya chakaradeshah syat shiti. So when followed by a shit pratyaya, ish gam yam etesham trayanam dhatunam chakarah adeshah bhavati. Alontyasya ityanena antyasya adeshah. So dhatunam chakaradeshah ityukte kasya bhavati? Antyasya adeshah bhavati. Yatha gam iti dhatuh asti, shap pratyeye pare gam a iti sthite, makarasya sthane chakarah ishu gami yamam chah iti sutrena gach a iti bhavati. Okay. Now you should remember there is one more karya which happens after we do this chatva. Chatve krute tugagamah bhavati. Okay. Che cha iti sutramasti. Shashtadhyaye prathamapade. Che iti saptamye ekavachanam. Hrasvasya iti anuvartate. Tuk ityapi anuvartate. Samhitayam ityadhikarah. This is actually comes under the same adhikara where we have ikoinachi. This is a sandhi. It is not limited to this case. Wherever you have chakara, you have the chance of tugagama. Hrasvasya chakare pare tugagamah syat samhitayam iti sutrarthah. ह्रस्वस्वरस्य छकारे परे तुक् इति आगमः भवति। आद्यन्तौ टकितौ इत्यनेन अन्त्यस्य नाम तुकः अन्ते at the end of the ह्रस्व क्षम्यतां ह्रस्वस्य अन्ते तुक् इति आगमः भवति। यथा गच्छ अ इत्यस्ति। सो गच्छ इत्यत्र ग इति अकारः ह्रस्वः छकारे परे तस्य तकारागमः गत् छ अ। सो इषुगमि यमां छः इत्यनेन छकारः तस्मिन् छकारे परे तस्य तुगागमः गत् छ अ। एषा प्रक्रिया गम अ इत्यस्ति। इषुगमि यमां छः गच्छ अ छे च इत्यनेन तुगागमे गत् छ अ। स्तोश्चुनाश्चुः इत्यनेन तकारस्य स्थाने चकारः चुत्वसन्धि। So takara, when in association with chakara, the ta gets converted to cha. Gaccha. Okay. So this is how we get gaccha. Gam dhatohu shiti pratyaya pare ishugami yamam chaha ityanena chatvam छे च इत्यनेन तुगागमः तस्य श्चुत्वेन चकारः गच्छ इति रूपम्। सो त्रयः धातवः सन्ति इषु गमि यमा इष इच्छायाम् इति तुदादिगणस्य धातुः। ओके इच्छ इति आदेशः षकारस्य स्थाने छकारादेशः तत्रापि तुगागमे इच्छति इति रूपम्। गम्ल गतौ इति भ्वादिगणस्य धातुः मकारस्य स्थाने छकारादेशे गच्छ तुगागमे कृते गच्छति। यम उपरमे एषः अपि भ्वादिगणस्य धातुः मकारस्य स्थाने छकारः यच्छ इत्यस्ति अस्यापि यच्छति इति रूपम्। So there are two dhatus which get yachati. दाने इति धातोः पाघ्राध्मा इत्यनेन साक्षात् यच्छादेशे यच्छति इति। यम उपरमे इति धातोः अपि छत्वे यच्छति इति रूपं भवति। अर्थस्तु भिन्नः। यच्छति ददाति इत्यर्थे दाण् धातोः प्रयोगः। यच्छति नियच्छति टु कंट्रोल इत्यर्थे यम धातोः प्रयोगः। Okay. So they get similar forms only in sarvadhatuka. Ardhadhatuka ashiti pratyaya pare bhinnani rupani bhavanti. As you have seen gam, ganta, gamishyati ityadishu gam ityeva chakaradeshah na bhavati. Evam ichhati ishtam ishu ta pratyaya pare chakaradeshah na bhavati. It is only in the sarvadhatuka lakaras. Shapi pare shit pratyaya pare eva एते आदेशाः भवन्ति। Okay. So इच्छति गच्छति यच्छति अत्र इच्छति इति तुदादिगणस्य धातुः गम and yam belong to the bhvadigana. Okay. So we saw 11 complete adeshas for the dhatu by paghradma and अत्र तु सम्पूर्णस्य धातोः आदेशः न अन्तिमवर्णस्य छकारादेशः। Okay. So now there are some questions. Does the same argument for piba hold for shiya also? Shiya ityatra gunasya prasaktihi nasti. Saha laghu upadha na. It is not laghu in the upadha. It is a dirgha. So there is no prasakti of guna in shiya. So it is not required. Okay. So is murchati also similar? No. Murchati ityatra tu dhatav eva chakarah asti. Murcha iti dhatuः तत्र साक्षात् तत्रैव छकारः अस्ति. So it does not belong to this class. अत्र तु इषु गमि यमां त्रयाणामेव धातूनां छत्वम् अनेन सूत्रेण. Another thing, just to confirm, the shutvam should be done at the end of prakriya. Is that correct? Well, yes. As I said, there is no rule that it should be done at the end of prakriya. You should not do anything other depending on it. Okay, if you want to retain with that rule, you can do it. But as I said, it is purvatra siddham. It does not mean that you do something at the end. It just means you don't do anything else depending on it. Okay. So मूर्छति इत्यत्र तुगागमः भवति. Yes, but it is not with this sutra. Anena sutrena na tugagamah bhavati satyam. Okay. Any other questions with these two sutras? We have done two sutras for the dhatva deshas today. One is the paghradhmamna shtha etc., where you have 11 dhatus and there is 11 adeshas directly, and then ishugami amam chaha, where there are 3 dhatus but 2 belonging to the bhadi. So 11 plus 2, you have 13 dhatus of the 46 which we have covered. So anesham itopi kechana adeshaha santi. I actually meant to cover the adeshas. There are still several other dhatus which get the adesha and lopa. So we'll see those in the next class. Okay. Any other questions for now? येनाक्षर समाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः. वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. धन्यवादाः.